guys, let's check this out. This is a song that I am working on at the moment. Let's give it a little listen. All right, we're going to bypass this. I don't know if you can hear that. It's like an orchestra hit in the background. What I'll do is I'll come over here and we'll solo this out. That way you can hear exactly what I'm talking about. And I'll use the fresh air. So that was with fresh air on. This is bypassed. We'll crank this all the way up so you can hear what it sounds like. I really like this super simple interface, man. It's like it's just high mids and highs, and it really allows your music. If you have those instruments that are in the background, just to kind of pop out of the mix or cut through the mix, and you can actually hear it. Sometimes I'll put something in that I really like the sound of it, but for some reason I can't get it to poke through or to cut through the mix, and this is a really good plugin for that. There's some synths I put in the background of the song, and I wasn't able to get it to really pop through there. And whenever I added this, it just cut through the mix. I was able to hear it, and it's not, you got to be careful with this because you don't want to add too much.
House. I don't know if I should stay or if I wanna run out. I don't know if I can breathe.
That's it right there.
You around. I wonder even if you could.
It's just enough. Just enough. You got to be careful with it. You don't want to add too much because it'll overtake it in mastering, but just enough to poke out of there, make it sound real nice. One of the things I notice is it's only good on certain plugins. A lot of people use it on their vocals. I think it depends on what kind of mic you have. You have a mic that kind of gives you a dead sound, then yeah, use it. But I just found it to be a little bit overbearing, no matter how much I added to it. But anything that is like a synth in the background, stuff like that, it just gives a really good sound. I really especially liked it on this one, man, because it was like it made it feel like it was breathing, like it just real airy sound, and I loved the way it made this one sound.
Me like
So this one's like a really cool arpeggio that I put in the background, and this had a really cool sound for it. And this is one of those situations where it didn't change like completely change the sound whenever you solo it out, but whenever it's in the mix, it just gave it just enough to cut through the mix so that you could hear it really nicely.
Me like oh,
All right, guys, that'll pretty much do it for the video. I hope you guys got something out of it. Let me know in the comments exactly what you thought about this plugin. Do me a favor and crush those likes, and I'll see you guys on the next vid.